guys, but welcome back to today's video. We're finally picking up our car from the body shop from D&B Auto Body. So they're pulling up the car right now, so we'll go ahead and show you guys the fixed car and go over kind of what happened. Here she come, here she come. Well, she's back, she's driving, and everything looks pretty good, honestly. And man, I miss this car. Like, it's been a month and a half since the accident happened, and you know, I didn't think I would miss this car this much, man. It's mostly because, well, it's been really cold, and I had the rental for like 2-3 weeks before budget had it maxed out apparently, and so I've been daily driving the AP1 in this weather, and it's not awful, but I definitely miss the luxuries like the heated steering wheel and the heated seats. So yeah, guys, our Accord is back, you know, the car that kicked off this channel, and everything feels good. So I'm gonna kind of go over what happened in the accident that made me have to fix this car in the first place. So I'll see you guys in a bit, but that's a quick little update. As a little celebration, we have to do a pull for getting this car back. Oh. I forgot how stupid quick this car will reach illegal speed. Oh my god, I missed this car. I missed it. This is amazing. You don't think you could miss a car until it's gone. Crazy. All right, car's back. Let's take a little detailed look into what basically got fixed, you know? So the damage happened on the driver's side door right here, where a truck had basically just hit and smashed in, and the body shop basically whole new left side, reskinned the rear door here, replaced this whole door. Got to get a new tint for the window, new fender that I need to roll now because it's unrolled, new front bumper, new front grille, and let me see here. Yeah. This tab used to be broken from my mistake, and this was fixed. So yeah, I mean, honestly, I cannot complain. DMV did an amazing job with the repair, and honestly, it doesn't even look like it was even damaged to begin with. I mean, obviously, I know what the damage is, and I will toss up pictures for you guys on what the damage is. But I mean, shit, this looks amazing. Yeah, and you know, driving it, I forgot how much power this thing had. Everything under the hood looks good, so we're good here. But yeah, I forgot how much power this thing made. Like, I took it, and it's like, wow, I reach illegal speeds very quickly. And in all honesty, I'm not sure if I missed that power. Like, I've been having fun driving the S2000s around that. It's kind of like, well, I've been thinking about wanting to trade this car for an 8th gen SI or something. So I don't know. I mean, that's probably not going to happen. In all honesty, I think I'm going to keep this car, but yeah, I mean, the power it's great, but I don't miss it, honestly. Like, I miss the creature comforts, like the heated seats and the heated steering wheel. Like, this is perfect for the winter because I can just be warm in here, you know. But yeah, I'll quickly go over again kind of what happened, toss up some pictures. But basically, you know, I was on the highway, kind of like 40-50 mile an hour traffic, kind of stop and go a little bit, and I merged over to the right lane, and traffic was coming to a stop, and there was a pickup in the left lane that couldn't stop, that went into the median, lost control in the median, came out, hit a Honda Pilot first. I'm 100% sure that car is totaled, and then I was just unfortunate collateral that got my door hit in afterwards because, yeah, I tried to move out the way because it was either I stop where I was and get hit by a semi behind me, or take a small little hit. Thankfully, you know, no one was hurt and cars can be fixed. So that's basically what happened with this car, and I'm glad that it's back. So yeah, quick little video, honestly. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video where we finally wrap up the Blue S2000 and finishing those mounts, because Parts still haven't arrived yet, so you get this video today. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more content on the S2000s. I'll probably make like 2 or 3 more videos with this Accord, honestly. Like this build is more or less done, guys. Like it's a nice car. It's done. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. So peace out. Take care. Have a blessed day.